In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image with a transparent background using the Export As feature. Let's dive in and get started. First of all, you'll want to make sure that your image is correctly set up without a solid background layer covering the transparency. To verify this, check your document for a checkerboard pattern. Seeing this pattern means that transparency is enabled, and you're off to a good start. If you happen to notice a locked background layer that's filled with white or any other color, this is something we'll need to address. Go ahead and double-click to unlock the layer. Once you've done that, you can either hide it or delete it entirely so that only your intended transparent contents remain visible on the screen. This step is crucial because it clears the canvas for proper transparency before exporting. Now that we've got our transparent setup ready, we'll move on to the export phase. Start by heading up to the top menu. You're going to click on File, then navigate down to Export and select Export As. This action will pop open the Export As dialog box, where you'll find a plethora of options for format, transparency, scale, and so on. Within the Export As dialog, the first thing you'll want to do is set the format to PNG. Why PNG, you ask? Well, PNGs are excellent for preserving transparency, which is precisely what we want here. Just below the format option, ensure that the transparency box is checked, thereby maintaining all the transparent areas in your image throughout the export process. If you're planning to use this image on the web or need to standardize your color space, it might be beneficial to check the Convert to sRGB option. This converts your color profile to a web standard one, which can be particularly handy for ensuring consistency in your image's appearance on different screens. Before concluding this step, glance over the additional settings such as image size, scale, and metadata to see if any of those need tweaking to suit your project's requirements. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to save the file. Click on Export All, which will prompt you to choose a destination folder for your image. Type in your desired file name, and then click Save. Congratulations! Your image is now safely stored as a PNG with its transparent background intact. And that's all there is to it. You now have a clear understanding of how to export an image with a transparent background, whether you're preserving details for a digital project or preparing assets for the web. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been insightful and helpful for your creative endeavors.